So it is wherever it go. We should be appreciate ourselves than we're destroying ourselves. Especially con man. Especially con man. Don't pick your topic, but I like a man. And Ramu ben niala bela rugen. She would issue a goiwa. A sure a jagala a single come North America. Mesha ben niala and a mebalat because he's in the field. He been observing the field. Ki tere which the field manana to nothing. So she which che idea the ki whatever and baka je express ko bella to community chelat. She explain very well. We correct it. We making sure that he has to understand our side. Again, the same thing kaya. Kon mitene igwa me ngoda tene tonga mi. Miteka mela roda bina ya advice. Mi jin comedian ko guru bina nung bikunu. Jin mi jin single. Nyuru ka Facebook. Biramishi nya can be advice. Right kore because you've been in that field. Comedian married man. Encourage those single. Ke word mugwa. Okay, here is the thing. Being a single, kiaramala single parent, a very tough time. Even wo bro ka war, we let. Real gadeka. Now you're talking about yourself. Bro jagramele ni la moike roine to go below shiar kaje because guess what? You're not feeling that kind of married thing. But me jin married man, kabi ben, bina ben advice, bina direct wo kona. Sure I'm perfect. But then chana wane. Daragwa. Point na mamba banyal, amaton bata rekana me. Chang edan chada ben ka life batalet. Chang kwanya chabanyal. She fun I don't know, I will feel like it's fun. Cause she advice, it's not advice. Charake empathize chang kwat. Empathize. Ladi story me talk. But let the chara me take a $1 ride. Empathy, you feeling inside you. A good one and a day could have been alive. We have to emphasize. The only thing I didn't take it serious, to be honest with you, emphasize. Alawu chara me is like a bully, but dolly. But a talk, in reality. Kuchina kwen. Tene tichi kwen ka Africa. Kama no kon tinkula man tukula kwen ka Africa. Kwa kangwanga. So when that I advise, when you feel emphasized, she knew the goa, but the jinku advice nina jinta la ladi kashodu la kondi alkagwi katulat kashoram dong bika gwijba. So at this time I'm talking, it's different time, total different time. But then me go red on the kwen. Ko to kon ko social media ko kon korang na roda na goa tela mela me jia changa ni njin bo chulen shu gorba la won and take it we know. It's good to come up. Ko I believe jin chen kon meti karama la wadu me dul ki ngwet mi shugur ka America ena already queen chia daga already la we chia daga queen dia. Ko when you say like this yen naitin kon ki single issue gar mama ngi jangwa te kel mi la logo ramu kwajani an gwa me if I don't know you ngi ni issue da nyakim of course ye ngai we cha dapta ga gat ka binga cholo man nyini. I feel like you calling me baby mama. Ramantane gadje de call baby mama. Chiyodana nyakim jantin. Chiyodana Sara jantin. Chiyod gada mendit ki nyada mendit menga je jantin. Now, shanga dane shiben. Shiben was sugar mama. And me kwalo gore ne kaji. Chiraja la we are stressed. Ko liang da me liang aja gaje. Chi was sugar mama. Yananta. Gwawe wonene bigran biogoro, but you still have allow the person. Ramanan chigur. A gurbo kanyer. E bare la luang ni je wo gangrodu. E kane wonene bilai da babi bil ko wonene but thing mugwa like you empathize everything like you know is real. Of course nye kon nye mori ko kon bo chen chi dadap jin my young brother kon nye mori then ne wo kwen labane you could advise better ko jila rajigwa ka you explain thing in a good way. So I believe an mataka show akwata ka show cha kwen pa kwen la ya taka an taka 4 years marriage anta ke taka rundi. I think taka 4 years marriage in Africa, I think so. Chema cha yo daga sir. I think I'm in 4 years marriage, I think so. Kuan cha kuna ya lat ne ti ngwana long ti chen ka understand. So I think I am in 4 years married. I don't know if I am married in there, but I am. Anyway, chenkot. Me go ready ladi. When you direct people, neku kon neku jinda manda. Mi jug ne kon sugar mama. Maramia kana kono kuene ka Africa. You're disappointed. Ka gweke ke lat karodian ku ji ladene me lerode chi bilari wo e jene shawdu ke wude chi kwen e me shaw gor ke chi do dien e shida ga ke ko nani ke that was you just laughing at us ala wo dolle nei chi chom na nei jin ba jin chen ko ba chi chulari wo e jira me guru wo bi advised da kon sugar mama ne but the stage and is in kana kula ngai chara mi jin marriage ko chenge dan chika nyon ma chiegdu which is you supposed to help the community of stress commission is stress kuin na imala na kon sugar mama so jene goro wone ne jin miti ka malade roi ne jin ke sugar daddy ne roi ne ke sugar daddy ko jin wut ko you don't know manana tareda Continue logo Facebook, Telerambi with brand express kaje feeling the inside bella. Here me logo number 1. You emphasize the whole story of sugar mama. The word sugar mama. Wa make North America. Chuali single parent. Single parent Romanas. A jerama romnat. And me show when ka Africa chiwo I have no clue what I'm doing. I am a ladder. Ara mo ta ka roi wode ga ka je. Mi ra me cho kwen ke bimbor. Ta roi ko de ga ka je ko show. Ko wala tem ticket de jogo liban til ticket da chaben. Kamite mi che de rai ka mo de je wer kamal. Because roll ana me tane isine. You go with what you want. A word of brand God. She again and don't buy emphasize. Tell me you don't know what you're doing. Ramo kana bare take a single sugar mammy and Larry win allow one quite a quick jin chen kwa don quote and a dear coming. Chielare one it would me she go take the bari alaka ko I'm paying his own life, maybe school, maybe the ko tele job. We all know the school bakula dual gor ki I billing ba ta ching, right? She would about ta ching. Eka banga ta ching. So I'm doing all this work because my boy ka chiama ngochu yana no ga longa na ngochu anga no ga longa na ma chiama re an twara yodo ka te ka magora kwana. So an cham ko da point ka nya an sara bakalat. Number 1 la de je dol na ne ka jin chi kuen ti ka chiek te li rai chiama ngan chiama ro je chiama ba yo ko le yor ka yene ko ken ta appointment mo wazin ta please anta yor yana ka goro ba rai ka da mana ni shankot. Shankot number 1, calm down. When you talk about us, a very sensitive con man. Number 1, where she lade she dolne ka jinon tika shiak ka jinon chita kutchig. I think tika de bay. You don't know what she's going through as a single parent. Number 2, she lara wonene ko kon e chine lara wonene it would it bine miet bine bine kwana kok bine bida kok bine wara kok ma tin kono we gangro ka shiek da de te ka shiek e ni shiek president ka president la te ka man tin wan te kude diro kong na ba kulo kong ne ba ko wona ne wa gangro du ki kula ro mai ni je ala kindergarten. No, I show, right? I show. Cha loga na mo. She advise me go. Number 3. She lara wo jin shiek wuda mo jang ne ko wona ne e baro da la de ka mu go ke future bier ya la ka e ka jin shiek bo e baro du mo ke ka duelu mo balet ka ji what dare o to la de ke la de dora ka la de doru ala chine nya gwe ki sorry yo nya gwe la dora la jor. Anyway, she's not alone in this. Anyway, so toro she got point to go mi bika berka dola Afrika berke ngwane Afrika ko jinti ka tega Afrika ngin tega Afrika kon mu wone gwa me ji ne pal ne ka kan ga ko tiri widian mindset and ne sin ka kan chi wida chapar yan kwat kon malare bine ga kon man ta social media kon man tiri ala community ka chi kon man to dong de destroy no way. But le bola nan dong shilat dung sugare ta ke sugare ke lat sugar dad nti chi wo ko shi ko kwen kami shi ajen la ne tek gane ko wo yana manati chi me shi kulo lung ke jagde e manati e ta gare le ne tungwan e karam ka gat e ko ngu shi dun ta me te ka gambele roma na gat ka rwada chi jien chi wo ko dube chi te le de la wut ka lat chi ko lat ajen the same thing ki gwa wot ko kan ka bat kan ya. And point I myself, would me check when I'm the one who pay the wedding planner, everything is me. Right? Ibala wa jako wonene, ibala allowed, ibala wa jal. Take a do no way jal like a wonene nana. No. Make a 3 years leave a qua ticket, a quadradol kajabanga di leave. 3 years baga leave. Okay? Kuan life and an antenasin. It's not about play. I appreciate most of them take an 18 con into when I think they know better. Chirananga. Could she would baram Juria hotel? She would baram Mojia KB. She would baram Mojia Kakwan. It take a shame of Bologna or Moika to tot. She a mania guame, you can take a one when the metaga. Huh? Roll a metanacina. When you are sick. Matika joy no more bunny and joy nobody have any control but both the gen dong de lanaje so she jin tell you right ibn even sympathize la dol ne re take man antene tell me de dol ne we are paying our bills, we are paying our kids school fee, ena so koko chagwa wo shieling bo but chuje la da go ena la da no talk no miti ga mabini alga beni alga nyen gane binaita koru beni alga nyen wane binaita koru beni alga sugar daddy ntiriti jen gwame waka ka Afrika binaita koru ban mu wiye bene ke we la da no dungman bi mandil ga gaje ma shiang mi adwel mi akana kon woni badil ga so na mo je na ndong de la di ani take a right muguru wo ben ko community learn na advice chi adwer berke but bai ben correct mate ga ti lat ano shiro do do pen bo ke shiro do bad bo ko ne ete mi jeng mi chalat no balat mani ken ga de tin ko la comedian ran ban yal barai baba la de belat ke ga shion it's okay I just how the comedian is it's about you talking about you but mu we ben yo ba correct oh my god is this personal but con man go consented yes when you say something wo ka nga je talk ana abielat ne ke lat mi shajen e chukularo oh mana la kana malel ba de jen wo ko na we are good in this go you mix it you put a little bit of spice you put a spice in it and then ba kula chuom ka babal all right so ana jena mo ani ajanan gura de are ide